In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain in Wix. Whether you're starting a new website, launching a blog, or creating an online store, having the right domain name is a critical first step. Your domain is the address of your website, so it's important to make it memorable and relevant to what you're offering. Wix makes it easy to search for and purchase a domain name directly through their platform. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can secure your domain and get one step closer to launching your website. Let's dive in. First, start by heading over to the Wix.com homepage, open your browser, and type in Wix.com, or if you already have it bookmarked, just click on that. Once you're on the homepage, log into your Wix account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one before proceeding, but for this tutorial, I'm assuming you've already signed up and are ready to go. After logging in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Look to the left-hand side of the screen, and you'll see a menu with several options. From here, click on the Settings tab. This will open up a new page with a variety of settings for your Wix account and websites. Within this Settings menu, look for the section labeled Domains and select it. This is where you'll manage any domains linked to your Wix account. If you don't already have a domain associated with your account, you'll see the option to buy a domain. Click on that button to begin the purchasing process. This will take you to a search field where you can enter the name of the domain you'd like to purchase. Take a moment to think about your ideal domain name. Try to keep it short, easy to spell, and relevant to your brand or website's purpose. Once you have your desired name, type it into the search bar. After entering your domain name, click on the button labeled Let's Go to proceed. Wix will now generate a list of available domain options based on the name you entered. Take your time to review the suggestions provided. Wix typically includes different extensions such as .com, .net, or .org, so you can pick the one that works best for you. Once you've found the perfect domain, click the Get It button next to your choice to move forward. At this point, Wix will give you two options. You can purchase the domain as part of a premium plan, or you can buy it as a standalone domain. If you're planning to build your website entirely with Wix, bundling it with a premium plan might be the more cost-effective option. Choose the option that best suits your needs, and then click Continue to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to select the registration period for your domain. Wix allows you to register for anywhere between 1 and 5 years, so choose the duration that works for you. Keep in mind that longer registration periods often come with a discount, so it's worth considering if you plan to keep the domain long-term. You'll now need to provide your contact information for domain registration. This includes basic details like your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure to enter accurate information, as this is required for managing your domain. After entering your details, you'll also have the option to review privacy and security features, such as domain privacy protection. This is a great way to keep your personal information secure and hidden from public domain databases. Once that's done, you'll be taken to the checkout page. Take a moment to double-check all the details of your order, including the domain name, registration period, and total cost. When everything looks good, complete your transaction to finalize the purchase. Wix will process your payment, and your domain will be officially registered to your account. Finally, make sure to save all confirmation emails or receipts for your records. These will be sent to the email address you provided during registration, and they'll include important information about your domain. And that's it. You've successfully purchased a domain through Wix. Now you're ready to start building your website and bringing your ideas to life. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.